Alright, in this video we're going to be looking at how we can move around in cells using our keyboard. So you can go rightwards by pressing tab, and then if you want to go to left you just press shift plus tab, and if you want to go down you just hit enter, and if you want to go up you do a shift plus enter. So whenever you press a key with pressing the shift key as well, it just means the reverse of that key most of the times actually. Now, you can also do the moving around using the arrow keys of your keyboard. So you can press up to go up, go right, press right to go right, press left to go left, press down to go down, and to activate a cell you can just press F2. Okay, so as you can see the cell is now activated and I can type whatever I want to type in it. Then I can hit enter or hit tab, whatever. Let's just do another activation. Now let's write something and hit tab. There we go. Now if you want to delete it, just go back to that cell and press the delete button, and you can also reactivate the cell, maybe edit it or just erase everything, put in something new, anything you want to do. So that is how you can move around using your keyboard. And then another thing about sheets is that if you have multiple sheets and you want to select more than one sheet altogether, then you can do is press on control and then click on the sheets you want to select. So that, and then you can do the same to deselect. Okay, now if you want to select, or say sheet 2 to sheet 4, so you just need to select sheet 2 or sheet 4, the beginning or the ending sheet, and then you press on shift button and then you press on the you click on the last sheet you want to select, and the sheets in between will also be selected. Okay, now let's just deselect those and let's go back to sheet 1, and then when I right click on there you can also hide the sheet. There you go, sheet 1 is now hidden. To bring it back you just right click here and click on unhide, and unhide sheet 1, click on OK. Now sheet 1 is now back again. Okay, and then you can also change the tab color. We have seen that before. There you go, that's pretty much it. You can also do a move or copy. There you go. Now you can do it in a new book and other books that you have opened, and then that's about it. And you can move or if you check on the box create a copy, it will be moved as a copy. And if you just want to move it, let's say that I want sheet 1 to be after sheet 3, so I'll just select sheet 3 and click on OK. Before sheet 3, and then sheet 1 is moved before sheet 3. There you go. I go there and select sheet 2, click on OK. Now it is back where it used to be again. You can do that manually by dragging it using the mouse. There we go. There we go. And now if you want to do a copy of sheet 1, what you need to do is just drag it, and before you drop it just press on the control key. There you go, this is sheet 1 and this is sheet 1 2. Now if you want to delete it, you just right click on it and do a delete, click on delete, and the sheet will be deleted. Okay, now let's do another thing here. Let's select sheet 3 and sheet 2. Now let's just write something there, hit enter. Now let's go to sheet 2 and sheet 3. So when you have selected 2 sheets at once and you do something in one sheet, the same action is copied on the other sheet you have selected previously. So for example, if I want to input a value of say 59 in D5 cell of the 3 sheets, then I will select all 3 sheets together using the shift. I'm selecting them. Now I'm putting 45 there, hit enter. Now I deselect the sheets. Now in sheet 3 you can find a 45 in D5 cell. You can also find it in sheet 4, and you can also find it in sheet 5 as well. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.